The Mumbles man said, back to nada. Low tide in 2 hours. Depositors are leaving. I don't know about looters. I haven't seen any yet. Other than us. So far, it's like yesterday. I've been 4 blocks, I dug 1 penny. I ain't seen the Mumbles man dig anything. Now we got an 86, another penny, I guess. Stand by. Now we got a 70 here. The Mumbles man is getting ready to give me the Mumbles. Oh yeah, that's some pretty tickets. Might be.
I don't know if it's silver or not. It's heavy.
It's heavy, all right. I'm working along this little edge here right now. So far, it has produced nothing. I've been about 200 feet. A 68. I ain't down here to dig that little crap. Don't get too excited.